This is a 2015 Haas VM3. It is located, it's actually June 2026, and the machine's running right now. It's running 5,000 RPM. It's not fully wound up at all. There's 7. I don't want to take it much higher because it's not warmed up yet, but there's 8,000. You can hear it's quiet. There's back down to 5,000. There's 3,500. So I'll move some axes around and make some tool changes. I think I can move the axes with it open. So there's the axe, you can hear that's quiet. Why? There's Z. Here, all 3 axes are nice and quiet. I will make some tool changes. The door has to be closed. I'll show you back from the inside. There's a table. Walls. It has a chip auger. The chute's just off right now. And there's the control panel. Remote jog. Once again, it's a 2015 Haas VM3.